Hello and welcome back to the channel at Languedoc Property Finders. And today we are going to see a beautiful little village house in Valros. The house is a 2-bedroom house, but it's got a second sitting room upstairs on the second floor, which can easily be transformed into a 3rd bedroom. But before we go into the house, I just wanted to show you where it's situated. It's actually in a pedestrian area right by the church that could not be prettier. This is such a gorgeous little square. Beautiful stone church. Now you'll be pleased to hear that even though you are directly in front of the church, the bells only ring until 8 p.m. at night. So after 8 p.m. you won't be disturbed by the bells. But really, really pretty. I have to say, this is one of my most favourite houses. So, without further ado, let's go in. The house has been recently renovated. It has double glazing throughout and it's got fantastic little features. So, walking through the front door, we immediately come into the main living room area. Beautiful beams on the ceiling. The wall to the left has been renovated. Beautiful tile on the floor. And there are lovely little touches. So for example, there's a little enclave here that the current owner is using as a little office. So pretty. The owner has retained a lot of the original features. You can see the beautiful stone. The house is heated by these fantastic radiators. These are electric radiators, and I have to say it is quite cold outside, but this house, this room in particular, lovely and cozy. They work very, very well. Just a lovely, lovely house, very warm, very inviting. Just want to show you a little detail. This cupboard underneath the window, the doors are made of solid oak and a bit difficult to come down, sorry. If I open these doors, this is where the wine is kept because the cupboard is actually in the stone wall of the house. And so it keeps the wine cool. How clever is that? You'll see that all of the windows are double glazed. And because you are so close to the church, all of the window frames are wooden. A lot of detail has gone into this house. Just beautiful. I'm going to make my way into the kitchen, but before I do that, this door here, again, it's a solid oak door. This is the potential WC downstairs. At the moment, it's being used for the water heater, which you can see there. It's a 200-litre water heater, but there is the possibility of taking that out and putting it into the attic and installing a little WC, and it's already got a little sink here. So that's a project in the making, very easy to do. Now, just in front of us is the kitchen. Again, the beautiful grey tile on the floor. And the present owner has kept a lot of the feel of this house. The original feel of the house. We've got dark walls. The colour is known as noir smoky, a very dark grey. I think it goes really well with the furniture and all of the kitchen appliances. This kitchen just feels so inviting. A lovely, lovely kitchen. Got a table there big enough for 4, and you've got a double window which looks out onto the street on the other side of the house. There are security bars on the window, on the other side of the window rather, but it's such a quiet area. It really, really is. I don't think you're going to be disturbed. The kitchen doesn't have cabinetry. The current owners preferred the old-fashioned look of shelves and curtains underneath the main countertops, and I think it works really, really well. You've got a beautiful double sink with a gorgeous tap. You've got fantastic branded cooker and hob, and the vent there as well. Just really well done, really very good eye for detail. So as we're coming back through the kitchen into the living room, I'm going to walk up the stairs. A lot of original detail here. You can see the way the stone stair has a detail there. So let's go upstairs. Beautiful lights on the walls. Everything is painted white, it's fresh, it's clean. And here we come into what is actually a second living room, but it can be converted into a bedroom. Now this room has really high ceilings. It's got beautiful sisal flooring. It's got another electric radiator, very, very stylish indeed. And as we come around the corner, you can see there's room here for a bed of at least, I believe that's about 160 centimetres, and a huge window which overlooks the church. And if you look at the top of the window, you can see there is the old stone frame. Just lovely. All double glazed. Behind those curtains, there is basically a storage unit, cupboards for clothing. And the owner rather cleverly decided not to take out the chimney breast, but to actually use it for storage. How pretty is that? So if you wanted to make this a bedroom, you could do it temporarily. There's basically a screen there. That column is a screen that you could put along the room so as to allow you some privacy. Or indeed you could add a wall from the chimney breast through to the wall on the left to create a permanent room. So this is the upstairs living room, potentially a second bedroom. There's also a little shower room here. You've got a shower on the right hand side, tiled. You've got a WC and a sink. Got little windows at the top of the wall rather, to give you some light. And you've got enough space as well for a cupboard. And the tiling on the floor is actually quite pretty. It goes very, very well with the sisal, I think. We've got sliding doors. Again, solid oak doors. Very pretty. Then just to the right, we've got bedroom number 2. Now this bedroom's got gorgeous floor. Absolutely stunning floor. So decent sized room, double glazed windows to the left there. You've got a radiator, an electric radiator that's fixed to the wall. Pretty light fixtures on the wall as well. And again, there is a storage, or basically a cupboard behind the curtains. So all your clothes will be hidden away behind the curtain. And the window to the small passageway by the side of the house. Very pretty. So I'm just going to come out of the bedroom, back into the sitting area here with the high ceiling, and I'm going to go upstairs to the next level. Original door features, how pretty. So the walls have been completely renovated, just gorgeous. And as we come upstairs, on this level there's a third bedroom and the terrace, as well as a full bathroom. So we have a landing here. There's room for a little cupboard where the owner actually has a lot of her kitchenware saved for the terrace. So as we come out onto the terrace, first of all, again, look, lovely double glazed doors. So the advantage here is that you don't need to go through a bedroom to get to the terrace. Seating here on the right with lights. And you've got two collapsible tables that, when put together, can easily fit 8 people. And this little terrace is very, very private. All you have are the rooftops. All of the cushions are covered with a waterproof product. They're custom made as well. So it's a very private, very enjoyable terrace. So as we come back into the house, I want to show you the full bathroom. Again, beautiful tiled floor. That's original tile. The tile in the bedroom downstairs also original tile, so it'd be difficult to find tiles so pretty. WC, you've got a bath and a shower. There's a Velux in this room as well. And that Velux is controlled by a remote control, and it's the type of Velux that if it's open and it starts to rain, it automatically shuts the Velux, which is very handy. I'm going to show you the sink in the corner. Just really pretty. This house is perfect. There's nothing that needs to be done. You could just move into the house straight away. It's just a gorgeous house. Again, solid oak doors. And then the last bedroom is through this door. And the owner actually decided to put a large glass panel here and a door with glass to let the light in, but you could easily put a curtain on the inside to give you privacy. Again, beautiful tiled floor. The wall has been completely redone. You've got the beautiful beams in the ceiling, original stone on the wall that's all exposed. Just a gorgeous house. Double glazing at the window and obviously a security railing so that you can admire the church outside. And in the corner there is another little cupboard. Now this room is bathed in sunlight during the summer. I'm here on a rather grey day in December, but even so, this house is warm, it's inviting, and it's bright. Just a gorgeous house. If you would like to arrange a visit, you can click on the link at the bottom left-hand side of the video, and I'd be happy to arrange a visit. But thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to speak to you soon. Bye-bye.